Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothandeni esikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngithe ngithi ngingena ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter ngazithela phe kwe-post yokuthi ama-Ground Forces womkhonto wesizwe phatha wajabulile plan March ngomhla ka-20. Ngithi ngisanake lokho ngabona ukuthi uVuyo Zungula akasesi upresident we-ATM, ubaba uNongqongo uziphathele ngokwakhe. Hey, ngabona nje kuyaphithizela kuningi nje. Ngase ngiyakhumbula ukuthi konje i-ATM nomkhonto wesizwe phathi babambisene bayinto eyodwa. Isiphithiphithi nje shuthi nje ku-MK party na-ATM kuyaphithizela nje. uVuyo Zungula ke enkulumeni yakhe ukhulume kanjena yena.
Continent uThixo wasibeka in this continent. So we want to appreciate your guidance, Tata. Want to appreciate your resilience, your strength and your drive that Africa in its entirety must be transformed. And I want to call upon Zonke servants. Let us follow the lead of Utata Wethu. Let us be disciplined like Amajoni. Once there's an order that comes from your commander, the only thing that you do as a soldier, it is to do and die. That is the level of discipline that we need. Because without discipline, there can never be any revolution. Without discipline, there can never be any fundamental change we can have in our country. Thank you so much. Peace in our land.
Khona into ecommon phakathi kwenkulumo kaFloyd ngesikhathi emukela isinqumo esesithathiwe sokuthi akasesi uSG womkhonto wesizwe phathi nalesho eshuwo ulo upresident uZungula lavuyo Zungula ukuthi fanele babe discipline. I-common lento shuthi abantu abangama leader bayazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi you need to serve, you need to be led. Kwesinye isikhathi ube discipline member. uFloyd ke ukhulumile mangabe iqala lezi xakaxaka ekukhombisa ukuthi ama-Ground Forces awajabulile ngesinqumo esithathiwe ngaye, kodwa wakhuza. Ngizomcapha nako uFloyd la, kodwa nje kunento engiyicabangile. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi ngesingawe siyazi ke ifiso zethu kwesinye isikhathi azenzeki, kodwa lento lena ngiyayifisa ukuyibona yenzeka. Njengoba i-MK party ne-ATM kuyinto eyodwa ngoba phela abahlangene, ngokwakho ukucabanga ngeke kwaba umqondo omuhle na ukuthi sibone umkhonto wesizwe party uSecretary General wakhona kuba uVuyo Zungula. Awu-imagine nje, ngiyazi ukuthi phela vele imicabango yethu, kodwa ngibona mina engalunga. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngingamthembi uMfeka ngoba phela indaba kaMfeka ngeke sikwazi ukuyibalekela. Indaba kaFloyd sayizwa ngo-breakdown ukuthi uFloyd uzosukhishwa as uSecretary General, uzosiwa eParliament, then bese uMfeka kuzo lezo nsuku uMfeka wabhala incwadi ethi no, imember seyabuya futhi kumkhonto wesizwe phathi kanti wayeresignile. So indaba kaMfeka ngesiyibala, kodwa into engithusayo nje ngoMfeka iyodwa, kunenkulumo ayikhuluma ngesikhathi aye kwenye podcast wakhuluma kanje.
Abantu thina ngenkathi simeseka kusukela ngekhathi ezindala, abantu laba bona basebephendukile bezwana nabelungu bethi yena aphuma emandleni, bethi yena akaboshwe. Kuyinto eyayihlukumeza thina abantu ukuthi yena ngenkathi seboshiwe ababethi yena is getting what he deserves. Bekusho thina siseka yena ngaleso sikhathi,
nimlwela ngaleso sikhathi.
Manje sekulindeleke ukuthi thina siphathwe i-same person, siphathwe i-same people.
Yeah.
Hayi mina angiyona into yokudlala nje, mina nje ngumfeka ke nje. Angiyona into yokudlala. Angiyona ngempela futhi. Naye nje upresident uyakwazi lokho.
Yeah.
Akakwazi ukungitshela leyo nto mina ukuthi fanele ngikhothamele umuntu owayithokoza ejabule igiya yena eboshwe, ejabule yena uthi aphuma emandleni ehlangene nabelungu abayingozi okuyibona abantu ababanikazi be means of production. sonke lesi sikhathi lo mnumzana bengakuboni lokho then i-MKC winile then he was misled ebese kulindelele kuthina abantu abakhaliphile sikumukele lokuthi eletha siye phambili can't ngekwazi.
Yabona umfeka angimazi kodwa ngimlalela ama inkulumo uthi ngisho no president uyazi ngimtshelile umuntu onjani lo thephethwe naye angi understand mina ukuthi kukhona umuntu ongathi no president akakwazi ukungitshela lokho. Hey, I know angi understand yonke lento kodwa ke lento yenza ngisola ukuthi upresident omkhonto wesizwe phathi ubanjwe ngama what you call basho njalo abantu mabefuna ukungasho ezinye izinto kodwa ngiyasola ukuthi kunento abamezela yona umfeka noma bambambe ngayo eyenza ukuthi angabi nazwi mase bemtshela into ofuneka kube njalo ngoba phela ukwazi ukutshela umuntu othi ubukela kuye awukwazi. Ngiyazi mina umuntu noma ubukela kuye noma umthanda kodwa ziyafika izikhathi la khona ningaboni ngasolinye kodwa umtsheli niyabonisana kuphambana imbono kodwa akufika esigabeni la uthi khona hayi ngiyamtshela mina lokho hayi angazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Yingakho ngithi yena mhlawumbe ngabo secretary general asazi kodwa nje umuntu onje angazi noma ngalunga na ukuba secretary general we political party mhlawumbe uright lapha ya kulento zamakhosi ukuthi abe induna ngoba vele amakhosi mawuwabuka eqinisweni lilonke amakhosi umsebenzi wawo ufana nento engekho akhona nje wona siyawahlonipha nathi nje siyawahlonipha amakhosi njengami nje ngiyawahlonipha amakhosi kodwa nje masikhuluma iqiniso amakhosi into ayenza kangcono ukuhola kulumeni ahambe ngezimoto abe nama bodyguard kuphelele lapho nanokuthi agcine umhlaba nje kuphela kodwa ngale kwalokho useless thingisensele lokama awukho nje umsebenzi wamakhosi lingcono nanekhansela yazi ikhansela ke libakhohlisa abantu uze siubone umgwaqo noma lo mgwaqo khona nathi uyabheda kodwa ke sikukhombe sithi lokwenza usibani amakhosi ayikho into ayenzela abantu mhlawumbe right khona lapha mhlawumbe right lapha kodwa nje la esibheke khona ukuthi kufuneka kuthinta impilo zabantu iyangikhathaza indaba yakhe kodwa ke ayikho phela into esingayenza futhi into engiyibongayo ukuthi angiyona imember omkhonto wesizwe party ngoba bengingaphathwa iBP cha ngisemncane ngaka bese ngiphathwa iBP kodwa ngisho ukuthi ke ngeke ngathola isizathu esenza ukuthi uMary Padi abe powerful kangaka kungenzeka ngibe wrong kodwa ke i-comment section ikhona for lokho ngoba kukhona la funa sibonisane khona nawe ungitshela umbono wakho ngizokucaphunela uMary Padi la kunephatha ayishile interesting kakhulu iyona into yenza ukuthi ngimbone ukuthi uMary Padi ufanele ukuba powerful ngicela uzwe la.
My commitment to assist the ANC, we made an agreement that if we lose a soldier, I will bury that person. If we lose a comrade, I'll bury that person. So she was the only person that would come to my house and say, bring a placard, and would go to the shop.
Sure.
And she was shining because of the relationship that we had. And every time when the ANC would make a decisions with her removal, they will still consult and talk to me. I'm not saying the ANC was consulting me, but they will talk to me to say, there's this decision that we want to take.
Now this is the region.
Yeah, like Jay, they will make calls.
I don't.
No,
I don't.
Business has influence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us.
Business has influence. No, business has influence. There's no political party that is not influenced by business.
Okay.
So for them, they were stepping very sensitive to make sure that I don't get to be affected.
Umulaleli statement isikamama uMary Padi la sithi every political party is influenced by business. Even ANC yafoundwa ngo-1912 bekhona ama-decision abethi ayizowathatha i-consult umama uMary Padi kuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakhe beze ukuthi akaphazamiseki na. So if uMary Padi bekayifanda ngoba phela ungena kanjani na ku-ANC. If ANC bekayifanda kukhona ama decision engakwazi ukuwathatha ingaconsultanga yena, yini ke MK Party. So this is the reason why umama uMary Phaahla esitshele ngaleli aviki ukuthi the following week khona okuzokwenzeka ngempela uFloyd wakhishwa, cause une influence ngenxa ukuthi uyifanda. So I think singathi Jacob Zuma is compromised because kukhona labantu abazothi no siyawuvala umpompi. Phela ngithathela lento engisho ngithathela inkulumo enadishiwo nguye. Ungabuyela emuva nje uyibuyisele emuva le video uphinde uyilalele inkulumo. Every business is influenced by, every political party is influenced by business. Nansi ke message ebhalwe uFloyd wabhala ukuthi ayi-2 ama key principles nama values womkhonto wesizwe party akhona constitution: honesty and respect. AS2 i-democratic centralism. Into ayenzile kuzichazile ukuthi zisho ukuthini, kodwa nje into yabe kanxusa ukuthi ama ground forces awabe disciplined, alalele ama leaders wabo. Yona nje into ayibekile yahamba phambili. Angiseze ukuyifunda manje ngoba ivideo sisuke yaphuma yale eceleni, kodwa nje ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho kulo lonke lolu daba engilibekini. Ngicela ukuma la siyibambe le video bese nginethemba lokuthi mina nawe sodibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyacela uma ungaka-subscribe ku channel, like ivideo, comment. Ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Ungasupporta ngokujoin membership, ungasupporta futhi ngokusidonatela noma ngabani. Likhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngiyabonga.